As the chairman of the Legacy Awards Committee, I'm deeply honored to stand before you today to celebrate the exceptional companies, brands, and individuals who have made an indelible mark on our society. Your accomplishments have not only reshaped industries, but have also touched countless lives, fostering hope, unity, and progress.
In prayer, tinanong ko po si Lord, ano kayang legacy yung maganda kong iwan?
Kung minsan napapaisip tayo, what have I done? At saka pa lang natin maiisip, ano yung ating mga pinagdaanan, ano ang ginawa natin sa mundong ito.
What did I learn from this almost half a century of public service? Natutunan ko po na ang legacy talaga natin, our next generation of Filipino citizens, our children.
One of the legacies na gusto naming maiwan sa mga tao is yung sa Surveyworld Corp, bukod sa nakakatulong siya sa health, matulungan niya rin ma-improve yung kabuhayan, maiangat yung antas ng pamumuhay ng aming mga resellers, distributors, and anyone who wish na mabago yung buhay at makuha yung pangarap nila sa buhay through our program called SWAP and through our best-selling product.
Salveo Barley Grass.
#1 organic food supplement in the Philippines.
Our next awardee would be Rich Yanis, inspiring business leader and entrepreneur.
Good evening, everyone. I feel so honored and blessed to be receiving this award. And I dedicate this award to all the Salveans, to all our Salveo family, swappreneurs, and especially to the BODs, my partners, Beshies. Para sa inyo to. Thank you so much. And let's continue our mission of saving people's lives.
#1 organic food supplement. Second time na to.
Not just once, but twice.
Two-time awardee ang Salveo Barley Grass and #1 organic food supplement pa rin in the Philippines.
Let's save lives. Choose Salveo.